Mercedes C300 doing us an alternator today. So this is not exactly one of the ones where you can film while you're doing, because anybody's going to be all up in the way of the actual filming of this process. So I will do a step-by-step. First off, disconnect your battery. I took off the positive, moved it to the side. I'm going to have the air duct, which right here. Pop it off here. Pop it off here. Gives you access to this area. So alternators on the passenger side down the bottom. Take off your belt. I have a 17 millimeter on a 3/8 extension for the 1/2 inch ratchet. Gives you enough room to get to right there. That little nodule right there, and then you're going to rotate it towards the passenger side, and then the belt will be able to be slipped off. Slip off your belt, move it out of the way. You don't have to take it off all the way. For everything up top, I will show you this right here. So we are positioned like this in the car. 2 bottom bolts. Oh shit. Edit. The 2 bottom bolts and 2 top bolts are E12s. I will give you a hint. The 2 bottom ones do not come out. The back one does, but the front one does not. You have to leave that one in the alternator housing until you're able to move the alternator itself up and out of the way in order to get that bolt removed, because it will hit up against that frame right down there. If you don't have an E12, you can use a stubby 10 millimeter on a 1/4 inch swivel like that. That's a 13, but you can use a stubby 10 like that, and you can get to these 2 bolts. I will get the back one first, because this one's going to be in your way. If you start taking this one out, it's going to stop, and then you have no leverage to get the back one. So I would get the back one loose and out first, and then do the front one thereafter. 2 tops, really simple, not an issue. I would disconnect your connector for the alternator first, and because of where the wire itself sits back here, if you drop the alternator while that connector is still attached for the control side, it will pull that wire loose. So what you do is, how it sits like this, I can usually get a pick up in there, but this one wasn't going well. So I used a flathead screwdriver, pushed on the tab, and pulled down on it at the same time in order to get this piece loose, because I couldn't get a pick in between this little housing part and where it physically goes. So normally you can use your right angle pick to get that in and out. Once that connector is loose, move it up and out of the way. The alternator will then drop down. You can get to it face in this direction right here, and then get your cap. It's going to have a little cap like this. It just sits on there for your main power wire, which will be this right here. And then this, in case, is a 13, so you can use a 13 millimeter socket. Bust it loose, then it will lift itself off and the harness will stay in place. Coming out, move this radiator hose down. It will come out this way, right up through here. Do a little bit of rotation, and it will slip out right in between the secondary air injector solenoid or valve, whichever you want to call it on this, but it will slip out in this direction. So pass the radiator hose towards the water pump, lift it up and out in this direction, and it will come out. And then do the same process going back in. Just be careful with those E12s. If you don't have the actual socket for it, you can use the 10 millimeter 1/4 inch, but just be careful with it. Don't strip it, otherwise you will be in a world of hurt. So going back in, same process. I'm going to do the top 2 bolts first to get the alternator itself in position, and then go do the bottom ones and just reinstall everything way back real. So this book time is like 1.9, and this will take me all of 30 minutes to do everything. So Sorry I can't show a full video, because like I said, you can't really get a camera down here while you're working on it, because you are literally inside it and you can't see anything either. You can go underneath the car to get the 2 bottom bolts, but if you don't want to do that, you can get to everything from up top. Questions, comments, feel free to let me know.